We got one. We get the money.
We get the money.
We get the moolah.
We get the moolah.
We get the peso.
We get the peso.
We get the netto.
We get the netto.
We get the skrilla.
We get the skrilla.
We hit the lotto.
We hit the lotto.
We get the bread.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just want to say thank you guys for tuning in. If you are new to my channel, my name is Pesos. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you guys for coming back. Now let's just go ahead and get into this video. So I wanted to make a really easy weight gain shake for you guys. You can pause the video for the ingredients list, but mostly I just eyeball my measurements and put them into my blender. So I'm just gonna go in and be letting you guys know the different properties that each ingredient holds. So I will be starting with the coconut oil. Coconut oil is a good source of fat and it's high in calories, so that just makes it easier to aid you in your weight gain journey. Avocado is the same as well. It's a good source of fat and it's high in calorie count, so it would be even easier, you know, to gain weight if you're incorporating avocados into your diet. And you could use whatever type of milk you want. I just prefer to use the almond milk. So the next ingredient is our MACA powder. Now MACA powder enhances your curves and improves your mood. Okay, so that is definitely always a plus when trying to gain weight. Our next ingredient is honey, which is a natural source of sugar and it provides a healthy source of calories. Okay, and the protein shake that I am using is our Serious Mass, which is almost, I'm pretty sure, like one of the #1 brands of protein powders used to put on weight. So I'm using that in the flavor chocolate, and from time to time I would use 1 to 1.5 cups or scoops of that powder. But what I like to do when I make my shakes is I refrigerate them a little bit just to get them chilled, and after that I just drink my shakes. Now I drink these shakes twice a day, so each day I have 2 protein shakes. This is just an easier way for you to get calories into your diet when you're in a surplus. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel and you are not subscribed, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Okay, help your girl out. Yeah, if you guys aren't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. If you have any other ideas or any other videos that you would like for me to make for you guys, just to help you out a little bit, please just leave something down in the description. Well, leave something down in the comment section below, and I will get to making that content, making more content for you guys, getting the content out. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now my current weight is I believe 135, 136, just to, you know, throw that out there for you guys. Let me know how your journey is going down below.